So today is a perfect day to go ice fishing. It's your local neighborhood realtor, LisaB, and I am up north in northern Michigan, and we're about to go ice fishing over on Big Twin Lake. So Big Twin Lake connects to Little Twin. So you can see Little Twin right across the street. We're gonna fish over here on Big Twin today. So we just pulled onto the lake and we got the ATV with us today. So this is the first time we're going to try to take the ATV out onto the lake. So we're about to check the depth of the ice just to make sure it's thick enough to hold us, our gear, and the ATV. So while John's over there trying to find the perfect fishing hole for us, let's talk real estate a little bit. So the houses here on Big Twin Lake range in size. You've got everything from small cottages all the way to large new construction homes that are being built. And last year, the average price point of the sale of a house was at $351. Now the highest selling house here on Big Twin sold for $549, and somebody was lucky enough to pick up a house at $249. So I'm going to turn the camera around for you guys so you can see a new, fresh perspective on the real estate here on Big Twin Lake. We're out here fishing for some bluegill on Big Twin Lake, and apparently the fish hatcheries are pretty much stopped stocking trout out here. But in 1959, I think that was the right year, they did catch one brown trout, which surprised them because they don't stock brown trout in here. So it is now 2022. We're fishing for that one brown trout. Think you can catch him, babe?
We'll see.
We'll stick to bluegill for now. So it just started snowing. Check this out. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about the real estate, or possibly how much your house is worth and you might be looking to sell, feel free to reach out. So if you guys had fun on this adventure, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. And if you guys are looking to move up here to northern Michigan and have adventures like this just for yourself, feel free to reach out. You can call, text, or all my contact information is below in the description. You can even click on a Zoom link and schedule a Zoom meeting with me personally. So we'll catch you guys on the next adventure.